Laundry is a necessary part of life, but one thing you can avoid is an inefficient and potentially dangerous dryer. No matter how often you clean out your lint trap, over time your dryer can still become clogged with lint. This impacts performance and becomes a fire hazard. Today I'm going to show you how to give your dryer a deeper clean so it runs safely and more efficiently. The first step is to shut off your gas if you have a gas line. Then fully unplug your dryer and pull the unit a few feet away from the wall. Pull out your lint trap, whether that's near the bottom of the dryer or on top. Using a dryer vent brush you can purchase from your local hardware store, clean out the interior of the lint trap area like this. Next, reach underneath your dryer and try to get as much of the stuck lint as possible. Finally, use your vacuum hose to clean the back of your dryer and surrounding areas to pick up loose lint and dust. Don't forget to check out our many other safety and efficiency tips at bpu.com.